I just bought a new wig. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she never
You would
prove it.
know obviously what
I never
the
tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do
that's
is
what we
make
like. We like the
best
standard
of my
house and the
day.
upgraded
Thank
house
the
so
Lord
that people
up
can actually see
above.
what they
Put
get.
the cream on the side.
Yeah,
Make
that's
you
it.
have to know it.
Yeah.
That's the stuff that I love. La da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna.
Welcome to CMA TV.
When we chillin', everything will feel the same.
Brandon's Windows doing a video shoot of this amazing home built by CMA.
Go again, that's why I just gotta know why we ain't been different. Why I feel the same every time we kick it. We just can't get with it. Ain't no fixing. Here we go again with another lie that's told in vain. Avoid the pain.
You just said that this song is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 meters all out of bed stone.
Say it's over, end it, but the wound is open. Let it bleed, you let it be. Love it and set it free. But the end of you and me.
Very cool. Very, very cool. I can't remember how many bottles on this one, but there's a lot of wine.
When I pull up, I'm like, here we go again. I'm the man, I got the plan.
So we're just about to hand over this house in Kumar. Each bedroom has its own bathroom, and that floor is amazing.
She lets her hair down. She drives me wild. And she looks in my eyes. Hell yeah!
I don't know about you, but this is some legendary customer service.
So we're in Newport building this amazing home. Today we're doing the footing for the retaining wall, and hopefully it's not gonna rain. Drops of rain.
Raise my head to the horizon when I know what's to come.
Suddenly, the weather taking a turn for the worst. This rain isn't what we needed, and to get the project completed on time, we had all hands on deck.
But I cannot get out. Doors open, doors close, and my heart again. Wonder how long it'll take till I go the pain. Your walls between us keep me far away.
I mean, we were just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from and where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination.
Happy birthday
It's all about the journey.
Happy
Nothing changed but the weather.
Yes, I hope so.
I got a cute dog that's live and all that.
From the rear view. Dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but two
And being the CMA family we are, we all decided to get his favorite colourful drinks. Maybe that's right.
Role model, like it or not, I gotta play it. Sugarcoat the rhyme sometimes, but still say it. Said I was quitting at 40 is just a fib. I'm still a kid that's wiping the food off of my.
What is it?
We just got a box up. Do you actually drink them?
I'll drink them.
I just keep marking a new line and it keeps going to the side. I'm like, this is the line.